What's going on, everyone? Happy Sunday. What we're going to be doing is taking a look at the triple Qs. So we did have the futures market open up a little while ago, currently up 42 on the NAS, and we're up a little bit on the ES. So one thing that I'm looking at, again, Friday's price action, complete reversal of Thursday's sell-off. Now, if you kind of look at this Thursday candle here, sitting right at this 20-day moving average, I mean, if anyone knew that we were going to gap and go on Friday, you probably should have made $1 million. I came into the market completely short bias, full disclosure, on Friday, had to readjust and find some pivots to the long side to capture that upside move. What I was definitely looking at here was the confirmation short breakdown through the 20-day moving average. That price was going to be around 374.27 on the Qs, and then we had a lot of room down. So this was going to be a massive short position. This short position still remains in play if it happens here. So 374.25, again, to the long side, what we would be looking for tomorrow is a confirmation over the 384.50s, 385. Initial push is going to be right around 387 to 388. So make sure if you do get long over Friday's highs and Thursday's highs, you do take profits into 387, especially if you're someone who's playing 0 days till expiration contracts. Make sure you guys are taking profits. Do not sit there expecting a bigger breakout. Again, could we get it? Of course, but do you want to be a smart trader? Do you want to be a gambler, right? So again, do not gamble. Make sure you're just taking your profits. This is the range that we're playing in. Let's quickly take a look at the S&P 500. So the S&P 500 kind of looking the same here. Big hammer candle that we put in here on Friday. What we would be looking at, there's a little bit of a mini scalp here, a little bit of a sneaky position over 457.75 into 459.50s. So if you get that confirmation over Friday's highs, what I would be looking to do is, try to grab 60 cents, 80 cents, $1, and just get the hell out of the position. Anything can happen in this market. Our macro continuation breakout for another leg higher is going to be over 459.50s. So there's really no rush to try to sit here and catch something tomorrow and try to hold this thing all day long. Expecting it to go higher, into the 460s. Just again, take your dollar, take your $1.20, 80 cents, whatever that may be. And kind of go from there. If we just look at the small caps really quick, it's been a minute since I've looked at the IWM. IWM, same thing, kind of holding its 5 and 10 day moving average. No real short position here until we start to break down 195. What I would be looking for here is I need to get out of this range. So again, we're essentially in the middle of the range trading sideways. What I need to do is get over 198. Over 198, I'll be looking to play, some of the smaller cap names on a nice breakout over the 198. So again, hope this video helps you guys. If you guys want more technical analysis, you guys want to trade with me each and every single day live, want the access to the watch list and the courses, join evolutiontraders.com, become a lifetime member, join the Discord, whatever you guys need to do. Again, education is key, guys. Don't go out there at this alone. There's other people who are doing this out there who can help you and are here to help, right? So again, I'll see you guys all in the next video. Hope you guys enjoyed your weekend. Get some rest, work on that fitness, work on, your diet, work on your family life, work on your personal life, whatever you need to do. Trading is not everything. These screens and these bars that we're looking at here, it's a little piece of our life, right? It's not our entire life. So make sure you guys are still out there living life, and I'll see you guys on the next one.